news updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. World container shipping rates keep rising amid port congestion. Inflation looks to be easing across the developed world except for one glaring pocket of hot prices: cargo costs on the high seas. Spot rates for full-size shipping containers to the US and Europe from Asia rose again in the most recent data, with three key routes all topping $6,000 for a 40-foot equivalent unit, according to the Drewry World Container Index released on Thursday. They've all tripled since the end of 2023, though the pace of increases is moderating. Nearly 6 months of regular attacks on vessels in the Red Sea has stretched capacity in an industry responsible for moving about 80% of all international goods trade, disrupting the normal flow and leading to bottlenecks in some of Asia's biggest ports. LNG imports down 7.2% in May on stagnant demand. LNG imports fell 7.2% year-on-year in May as domestic demand stagnated and local production expanded. India imported 2,650 million metric standard cubic meters of LNG in May, lower than 2,854 million metric standard cubic meters a year earlier, according to the Oil Ministry data. The country consumed 5,708 million metric standard cubic meters of natural gas in May, 0.3% higher than in the same month a year earlier. The data showed that a sizzling summer, which has boosted electricity demand across the country, had no significant impact on gas demand. An executive at a gas marketing company found it hard to explain the decline in LNG imports and stagnation in demand. He said the power sector has increased the use of gas for generation, and the only explanation could be that some other sectors cut down on gas use. India in talks with Norway's Equinor for oil reserves, says report. India is in talks with Norway's Equinor ASA for its participation in the country's strategic petroleum reserves, as well as for long-term liquefied natural gas deals from companies' US and Qatar portfolios, the Mint newspaper reported. Securing a commitment from Equinor will mark the second such deal for India after a similar contract with Abu Dhabi National Oil Co., according to the paper, which cited people familiar with the discussions. India, the world's third biggest energy consumer, is also asking Equinor to participate in its exploration and production program, Mint cited an unidentified Indian official as saying. Oil up on firming demand, Mid-East tensions underpin risk premium. Oil prices ticked up in early trade on Tuesday, extending gains from the previous session on a stronger demand outlook and investor confidence that OPEC Plus producers could pause or reverse plans to raise supplies from the fourth quarter of this year. Global benchmark Brent crude futures were up 21 cents or 0.25% at $84.46 per barrel at 0001 GMT. US West Texas Intermediate crude futures were up 16 cents or 0.2% at $80.49 a barrel. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you liked the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.